Hey folks, so I made another purchase from the Succulents Depot off Etsy, and the reason I did that is because a sedum I had purchased last year, I had relocated and it died. I tried to nurse it back to health, but it died after planting it and transplanting it when it didn't need to be. Well, we were using that part of ground I stuck it in for basically to plant something like to put a raised bed planter, but let's see what we have. They have 100% satisfaction guarantee. So they have really good reviews, and their succulents are really affordable, which is nice. So now we're going to see. Ooh, I have dirt. Um, but if we can remove this bag gently, we can see the plant. Okay. Oopsie. So this is the sedum that died. Sedum Acar, A-C-R-E. Oh, they gave me a flowering example. Lovely. I have a couple sprigs that got crimped in the packing. It's their flower spikes, and they broke off. But these will easily root, which is nice. So I can actually root this and have a larger spread sooner. Then I bought a couple other plants, and these are both Haworthias, the same kind of Haworthia. And I use these for, whoa. Oh, this is a lot taller than I expected. I was expecting it to be a younger seedling. So the plan I had for it now will have to change. I'll show you what I had in mind for it. But I didn't expect these to be so tall. I didn't realize to get that tall. So I think I bought the wrong species, but let me go grab something and show you what I wanted to do with these. So this is a different variety of Haworthia, and I have a macrame planter. I have some videos. If you look back in my video feed, you'll see some how I made these. And it does have some seedlings that I need to cut off the side, but that was my intention for these, but I don't know how they'll look when they're taller, but I do have an idea that I'll implement for them. I have some of these planters that are like thin and long, and it might actually look good. I'll have to make the macrame cording on there accordingly to match. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you found it inspiring. And if you want to get some succulents from the Succulents Depot and want to know how they're packaged and shipped and how they come, now you do. Thanks for watching and happy planting.